Hey everyone, so today we're going to be reviewing this Toshiba microwave oven. So I did purchase this about a year ago. I was looking for a nice, practical, very easy oven to use. Came across this one, decided to give it a try. As you guys can see here, very easy. Does have all the different settings right here. The time, on and off. Plenty of space in here to cook, to microwave whatever you want to microwave. This does remove, so you can clean it. Doesn't take up too much space on your countertop, which is something that I really love. Very easy to clean. I love that stainless steel trim. Really does give your countertop a very nice aesthetic. So if you are looking for a microwave that's very practical, easy to use, cost effective, give this one a try. Highly recommend it.